It is Wellness Wednesday, and today we are focusing on healthy living in the new year. Joining us today in the sponsored segment, we welcome Executive Director Danielle Wendling of the Memorial Healthcare Wellness Center. She's also a registered dietitian. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, good to see you. So, a lot of people, as they go into a new year, they like to set goals. What are some things to consider when it comes to making healthy goals come to fruition?
Definitely number one is to start small, right? Starting with a large goal is definitely not going to be achievable. Number two, I like to tell people to be mindful what you're eating, how much you're eating, and more importantly, what are you going to be doing for the rest of the day?
Well, let's expand on that a little bit. So, a lot of people do have lofty visions of what they can accomplish, but talk about the importance of maybe whittling that down. Does that make it easier to accomplish?
Most definitely. So maybe take a small part of your day. What are you eating for breakfast? What are you snacking on throughout the day? Or even what are you drinking throughout the day? How much water are you getting? How much soda are you drinking? Just look at your full day and break it down to smaller parts. It will be much more achievable that way.
Yeah, and really, they may be small changes, but they do add up,
Most
right?
definitely.
Well, you talked about diet a little bit there. Let's talk about moving. Talk about why those are so important working together.
Definitely. So food, diet, what you're eating is only about 50% of the puzzle. Your body needs movement, especially to battle any type of chronic disease, heart disease, obesity, diabetes. Our body needs the exercise, and most importantly, so much for our well-being and mental health.
And so you mentioned, small changes with diet. Does it work the same with exercise? Maybe if you have a break at work, take a quick walk or something like that.
Exactly. Do not start big. Don't go for the 4 or 5 mile run. Maybe just start stretching. That is a form of exercise. A light, brisk walk. It can be 10, 15 minutes. It does not need to be hours at a time. The little bit does add up.
Well, let's talk about this. Memorial Healthcare has a medically based wellness center. What can people find there? What resources do you offer?
Number one is our expertise. So our staff that are on board are all gold standard certified. So we do offer a safe, effective workout place for every single different level, from seniors all the way down to we have a child care with teachers and very active movement for children.
Yeah, so we're talking about goals in this new year. How can you help people get started?
Yeah, great question. So get a personal trainer. We do have 2 EPs on staff, our exercise physiologists, who will be able to start you where you should. Maybe if you had a hip replacement or a knee replacement, let's start small, and that is their place to help you.
Yeah, and then just finally, what do you enjoy about what you do?
I love being part of the Memorial Healthcare Wellness Center, so it's everything under one roof. We have the child care, we have massage services, we have personal training, we have registered dietitians, one-stop shop for all of your needs.
Yeah, and like we said, as you get into the new year, we all have those goals, and you'll definitely be there to help people accomplish them.
Definitely.
Yeah, we have more information here regarding the Wellness Center, and if you want to learn more about their services, just go to the website there on your screen, memorialhealthcare.org, and you're inspiring us to take on this new year. We
Thank you.
appreciate
You got it.
Thank you.